Welcome to the Ambrose Real Estate Team.
Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Nadia. And we are their Ambrose Real Estate Team.
We're a proud LGBTQ biracial couple, raising our two amazing boys at home.
And our two grown-up sons just lived up the street, plus our dog and our two baby kittens.
Family and home mean everything to us. We know firsthand how important it is to feel safe, supported, and welcome in your community.
And we also know that that home buying process, the first one, can be very overwhelming. There's so many questions, and you may not even know where to start.
That is why we created this space, to make home buying safe, simple, and inclusive, no matter who you are and who you love.
Whether you're buying on your own for the first time or as a couple and with different walks of life and background,
you belong here with us. Home is where your story begins. Welcome to the Ambrose Real Estate Team. Subscribe for tips, stories, and resources. And let's start your journey together.